My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service, and I've been doing tax representation for years. I have a Christian tax practice, and welcome to my YouTube channel. These videos are short, they're sweet, and to the point. So if you owe back tax debt to the Internal Revenue Service, how is IRS going to resolve that? Well, first of all, just, ethically and biblically, IRS, the Bible tells you you've got to get right with Caesar. So how do you do that? Well, Caesar in this case, as we know, is IRS. So IRS is going to want to make sure, A, all your tax returns are filed, and number two, they want to make sure you're current in the year you're in. So let's say we're in 2021. They're going to want to make sure you have enough withholding taken out, or if you're self-employed, if you have enough estimated payments. And IRS wants to make sure you have fixed the problem. So pretty much you draw a line in the sand and say, IRS, I fixed the problem. Now let's work on the back tax issue that we have. So how does IRS do that? Well, they have a form, an IRS financial statement, which is a 433A or 433F, and they're going to want to see it documented to make sure you're kind of telling the truth. And they're going to want pay stubs and bills and expenses and bank statements. And then with that, IRS is going to close your case in one of three ways. They're going to either go ahead and put you into currently non-collectible, a payment agreement, or maybe you can go ahead and settle your tax debt. But before you get too involved in this, you're going to want to do some due diligence on maybe running by your problem with a tax professional. You just don't want to pick up the phone, because you must know the rules and the game IRS is playing to go ahead and resolve your case. IRS uses their national standardized programming to allow you certain expenses, and that catches most people. IRS will determine the expenses they allow you to use in certain regions in the United States, so you'll want to be familiar. So once again, if you're a Christian in tax debt, you should work with a Christian, number one. Number two, get current, make sure all your tax years are filed, and then at least find somebody who can help and guide you through this. Thank you for listening, and God bless.